Why in the world is this cow heading to Hope for Wildlife?
So it was interesting when I got the call, because I thought, well, why does someone want to find a hobby farm for a calf? And the story was really interesting. The calf was born at his farm, and he's a dairy farmer. And of course, it's a boy, and they don't need more boys. So he was going to be going to the auction. And for some strange reason, the farmer sort of fell in love with this little guy. And he said he's never had a youngster that was so friendly and so enjoyed being around people. So he's kind of put the word out, hoping that he might be able to find a hobby farm for this little guy.
Look at that.
Oh my God. I'm not an impulsive person, but when I received the call on this little calf, I never even hesitated. I said, sure. And I'm glad I did. At first I'm thinking, what am I doing, you know? But I think we can give it lots of love and lots of handling. And, you know, maybe it will end up going to a hobby farm, which would be ideal.
So in his back end. That's it.
Okay.
That's it. He's fairly heavy.
Hi. 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 You're so thin. Hi. Can we make a pet out of you? Huh? Are you going to be calm? He's way bigger than I thought he'd be. What have I done? You guys tell me I'm not insane.